please mute yourself. If not, I'm sorry, I'm going to remove you. Thank you. So this evening in our class, we are going to be looking at basis period. How do you do basis period, and how do you compute it? How do you set it up? What are the necessary things? What are the rules that you need to know for basis period? Please drop your two blinks out. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to work on, please. Okay, yeah, the YouTube link has been dropped. So for others that want to join via YouTube, the YouTube link has been dropped. Okay, so please confirm, can you see my screen clearly? Hello, can you see my screen clearly? Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. So permit me to mute everybody at this moment. Let us start our class. Thank you. This evening, we are going to be looking at the topic that we call basis period. And the understanding of this topic is very, very crucial for you to be able to attempt questions when it comes to commencement, change of accounting date, and cessation of business. It is also important for you to be able to attempt questions on capital allowance. You need a good understanding of basis period, how to determine basis period when it comes to computation of capital allowance and all those periods that I mentioned: commencement, change of accounting date, and cessation of business. You need it very well. Finance Act 2019. You guys should go and say thank you to Finance Act 2019 actually, because that Finance Act 2019 brought a lot of changes to the way at which you guys now have to be doing what? Show the computations of your basis period. Before the introduction of Finance Act 2019, we have the basis at which we used to commence to do computation of accessible income for commencement of business, change of accounting date, and cessation. For commencement of business in the old provisions, we normally prepare based on actual year basis for the first year. You are going to prepare for first 3 years. Number one, the first year is going to be on actual year basis, and it's going to be from the day that the business commenced operation to the next 12 calendar months. The second year will now be on actual year basis, and that one is from 1st of January to 31st of December on actual year basis, and you are also going to prepare on preceding year basis, 1st of January to 31st of December. The third year also is going to be 1st of January to 31st of December. In those old provisions, there is what we call right of election, and the person that has the right of election in those old provisions is the person that has the right of election in this old provision is the taxpayer. Please, is this screen not clear enough? Someone is saying on YouTube that is not clear enough. Please let me unmute and hear from you guys. Is this screen not clear enough?
It's clear, it's clear.
The screen is okay.
Other person say, yo, maybe you need to expand your stuff. I can't zoom more than this, please. I can't zoom more than this, please. You just need to change your stuff.
So I think the person YouTube resolution is the issue. It does not need to be very clear on YouTube like that.
Oh, okay. So the person can increase the high definition now, but now that time go chop. Oh. Okay, thank you. Somebody's asking me which chapter is this. Yes, it's part of what you are supposed to know. Please, I can't take any question now. Just drop your hand. Thank you. I can't take any question now, please. I can't take any question now, please. Thank you. So I was talking about the old provisions that the commencement, you are going to be prepared for 3 years. But thank God for Financial 2019. Financial 2019 was introduced and it became effective on 1st of February 2020. And it made a lot of changes in the way that we are going to be computing a year of assessment, basis period, and determining accessible income for change of commencement of business, change of accounting date, and cessation of business. Commencement of business, change of accounting date, and cessation of business. So now, what is this basis period? Basis period or basis of assessment is that the accessible profit for a year of assessment shall be the company's profit, that is adjusted profit for its accounting year end in the preceding year of assessment. What is this talking about? For you to be able to determine to assess a company to tax, you are going to be making use of preceding year basis. When you do computation of personal income tax, at least I followed online. That one we said for end income, you are going to be making use of actual year basis. And for on end income, you are going to be making use of preceding year basis. So what is the meaning of this preceding year basis? Preceding year basis means that my income or my profit of last year, let's say 1st of January 2024 to 31st of December 2024, I'm going to be paying the tax in the next year. So that means they are assessing me to tax on preceding year before, profit of year before. They are assessing me to tax in the current year. That is preceding year basis. Actual year basis means that, my profit of 2025, I'm going to be assessed to tax in the same year of 2025. That is actual year basis. So when you look at it, the Financial 2019 also says that it means that the profit accessible in a tax year in a company's profit, that is adjusted profit for its 12-month accounting period ended in the preceding tax year, which is normally referred to as the preceding year basis. The preceding year basis. Section 29 of CITA, Company Income Tax Act, as amended, clearly provides that the basis of taxation is the preceding year basis. As such, the income of a given year is assessed to tax in the immediate following year of assessment. That is the simple meaning of preceding year basis. You are being assessed to tax in 2025 from your profit that you made in your financial accounting or financial reporting of 2024. Now we are going to be looking at 2 main periods. The first one, commencement. Commencement of business. Commencement of business. Section 29, Section 13 of CITA provides that the accessible profit of any company from any trade or business for its first year of assessment and the 2 following years of assessment shall be ascertained in accordance with the following. So if a company just commences operation, the company just commenced business in Nigeria, you are going to be determining the ascertainment of the business on basis of 3 years. We call it the first year, we call it the second year, and we call it the third year. How do you now determine the accessible profit or the basis period and the year of assessment for the first year, second year, third year? With the introduction of Finance Act 2019, which became effective on 1st of February 2020, it says that you must respect a company year end. any year end that the company quoted at all. Our year end is going to be 30th of November. That is what we want to make use of our year end. You must do what? You must respect it. In the old provisions, what you make use of is January to December. Nothing concern you with the company year end. You are not interested in the company year end in the old provisions, unless if there is a change of accounting date. But with the introduction of Finance Act 2019, that one says that, oh, you must take respect to the stated company year end. If a company says that their year end is 30th of September, that means the beginning is going to be from 1st of August, 1st of October of the last year to 30th of September of this current year. So how do you now determine the year of assessment, the basis period for these first 3 years? For the first year, the assessable profit shall be the profit from the date in which it commenced to carry on such trade or business in Nigeria to the end of its first accounting period. When we are going to be looking at an analysis, you have a proper understanding of it. The second year is going to be the assessable profit, or the basis period for the second year is going to be the date immediately after the end of his first year. The date immediately after the end of his first year to the end of his second year end. The third year is also going to be the same thing. The date immediately after the end of the second year to the end of another accounting year end. That's how you are going to be determining the basis period for first year, second year, and third year. So now the first year of assessment. That's what we just finished talking about. That the first year, the assessable profit shall be the profit from the date in which he commenced to carry on trade or business in Nigeria to the end of his accounting period. This provision indicates that a company shall be assessed to tax on the basis of the actual profit in the year in which it commenced business. The profit of the first accounting period is assessed to tax in the year of assessment immediately following the year in which it commenced business. So let's look at the first illustration. They said that a company commenced business on 1st of July 2020 and makes up its accounts to 31st of October. If the company says that their year end is 31st of October, now the straight question is, what is the basis period for first year? What is the basis period for second year? What is the basis period for third year? And what is the year of assessment? I'm going to do it on this page. Did I send this note to us? Did I send this note to us, please? No. Oh. Make nano verse. Make you nano verse. A minute, please. Let me look for the notes. Yeah, please, it's loading. Okay, yeah, you can check your respective groups. You can check your respective group now. Thank you. Okay, great. So the company a business commence operation. Let me copy this and let me go and paste it on another Word document. Okay. Okay, yeah, good. I'm sharing my total screen, so I'm sure everybody will be able to see my screen as I'll be navigating. Thank you so much. So a company commenced business on 1st of July 2020 and makes up its account to 31st of October. So now the question is, determine the basis period and the year of assessment for the first 3 years. So if you want to determine that one, you are going to be having what we call YOA, year of assessment. Then also you are not going to be having another side for that you are going to call the basis period. You are going to be having another side for the basis period. Now, when did the business commence operation? According to the question, they said that the business commenced operation. It commenced operation 1st of July 2020 and is making up its accounts to 31st of October each year. What is going to be the basis period for the first year? It's going to be 1st of July. What's that? 1st of July 2020 to the company year end. The company year end that they want is 31st of October. You cannot jump 31st of October 2020 and go and pick 31st of October another year. You must pick 31st of October 2020 because you must respect the company's stated year end that they gave to you. Immediately you are able to determine this basis period. The next thing is for you to now be able to determine what is going to be the year of assessment on preceding year basis. The year of assessment on preceding year basis is going to be 2021 because I'm making use of preceding year basis according to Finance Act 2019. Now that I've identified my year of assessment of the first year, easily I can identify the year of assessment of the second year. Year of assessment of the second year is going to be 2022. Also on preceding year basis. And the basis period, the rule says that your second year is going to be the date immediately after the end of his first accounting period. What is the date after the end of 31st of October 2020? It's going to be 1st of November 2020 to the company year end again, 31st of October 2021. The third year, what is going to be the third year? 2023 year of assessment. Also, we are still making use of preceding year basis. What is that going to be my basis period? The date immediately after the end of 31st of October 2021, which is going to be 1st of November 2021 to what? To 31st of October 2022. I'm going to unmute now. Everybody, if you have any question or you didn't get this place, let me know and let me know your observation. Mr. Fred Williams, you have been raising this hand since. What's the question, sir? Mr. Fred Williams. I believe Freda Williams. Frieda Williams. Frieda Williams, you raise up your hand, please. Do you have anything to ask or you have something to say? Okay, Mr. Lazarus, please go on and talk.
Okay. Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, my question is, though you said something about that, sir, is it because of the new amendment that is the reason why the step one didn't reach? In old this in, we are supposed to calculate from 1st July to 31st December of that same year. Can you hear me,
Yes,
sir?
I can hear you clearly. The new provision wants you to respect the company year end. And just as I mentioned, I said that you cannot jump from 1st of July 2020 and you want to go and start to 31st of October 2020 is not up to 12 months. You now want to go and jump. No, it is not allowed. You must respect the company stated year end. You must respect the company stated year end.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear?
Thank you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Mr. Raphael, go on. And that's you are the next person and last person that will take for now. Mr. Raphael, go on, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Please, from the question, the question said a company commenced business on 31st of July and make up its account to November.
Which company are you saying? Which question are you reading? That 1st of July. Where did you see it?
On 1st of July 2020.
Okay, thank
That's
you.
what the question states. Then I'm just looking at it that this first year now, they make up the account is just 3 months.
Yes.
Are we not supposed to do it till the following year?
I think that's the same question that the last person that just asked question just asked. And I said that Finance Act 2019, which was introduced, it became effective 1st of February 2020, says that you must respect a company year end. You cannot jump 31st of October that, oh, this 31st of October 2020 is not up to 12 months. You are not going to jump to go and pick 31st of October 2021. We want to go and do 12 calendar months. No, it is not done like that, sir. Are you clear, sir?
But when we are doing the year of assessment, why are we now putting 2021?
Ross, do you understand what we mean by preceding year basis?
Yes, sir.
What's the meaning of preceding year basis?
Preceding year basis last that we are charging them to tax for the business they do for last year.
What's 2020?
Okay, 2020. Sorry, sir, I've gotten it.
Oh, Mr. Raphael, where do you stay? I want to come to your house. Mr. Raphael.
Yes, sir.
Where do you stay? Are you in Lagos?
Yes, I'm in Lagos.
Okay, no wala. Later I'll come to you. I'll come and ask.
I'm in Lagos.
No wala. You're a big man. Ikeja is a big man area. I'm coming. Okay. Any other thing, any other observation, anything that is not clear? Please take note. Then
clear,
when
sir.
you are making use of the old provisions, that's when you are going to be doing 1st of July to, and even the old provision, you are going to do 1st of July to next 12 calendar months. That is the old provision. 1st of July to 30th, 1st of July 2020 to 30th of June 2021. That's what you are going to do in the old provision. But the rules has changed. They want to make life easy for you guys. Because you can see now there is no overlapping. Overlapping in the sense that a basis period that you are seeing in this first year, you are not seeing that date. When I'm talking about basis period, I'm talking about date. You are not seeing that date in the second year. You are not seeing that date also in the third year. So there is no longer overlapping with the introduction of Finance Act 2019, which has made the work for you very, very easy. I will tell you guys the truth. I remember when I did my own tax. Your capital allowance is going to be made on different dates. Your basis period of commencement, you are going to follow different dates. You are not going to be having overlapping. You can see 1st of July 2020 to 30th of June 2021 in 1 year. The second year is not going to be 1st of January 2021 to 31st of December 2021. You are going to see the profit from January to June of 2021. You are seeing the profit of first year, and you're also seeing it in the profit of second year. But Finance Act 2019 has made life easy and simple for you guys. So you guys should go and say thank you to Finance Act 2019 actually.
Sorry, sir, we doing the commencement?
We are in the commencement already.
Sir, please, I want to ask question. So what you are saying is that the old law, we are not going to make use of the old rule again, even in case of exam.
If you are giving question and the year of assessment is going to be from 2020, you are making use of the new law. If you are giving question and the year of assessment will fall below 2020, you are making, if they stated that the company commenced operation maybe like 2017, the company commenced operation 2017, you are going to be making use of the old law. But I don't expect ICANN to be giving you a question of the old law. Sincerely, I don't expect ICANN to be giving you a question of the old law.
Let it be. That is our prayer.
Amen. And my own prayer
Just
too.
old law with the old law and new law, at least it's confusing. Usually it is only new law. No, it's
Yeah,
just a straightforward something.
This new law has made life easy for us. So let's continue. So I need to mute everybody now. Thank you. Let's continue with our class so that we can quickly tackle this as fast as we can. So now, the second illustration, they said that the company commenced business on 1st of January 2019 and makes up its accounts to 31st of December each year. The first year of assessment is 2020. The profit to be assessed to tax, that means the basis period, is from 1st of January 2019 to 31st of December 2019. Illustration 3. A company commenced business on 1st of April 2019 and makes up its accounts to 31st of March. The first year of assessment is going to be 2021, and the profit to be assessed to tax are 1st of April 2019 to 31st of March 2020. Preceding year basis, 2021 year of assessment. That's how you determine for the first year. The second year is straightforward. We have already done analysis of the second year from what we did. And we said that the second year is going to be the date immediately after the end of his first accounting year end. What is the date immediately after the end of his first accounting year end, which is what we looked at. And then when we looked at it, we said that, okay, the date immediately after the first accounting year end, after 31st of October 2020, is going to be 1st of November 2020 to 31st of October 2021. Straightforward. The third year of assessment, how do you determine the basis period? For the third year of assessment and for each subsequent years, the assessable profit shall be the profit from the date after the accounting period just ended to the next accounting year end. When did this one ended? This one ended 31st of October 2021. What is the date immediately after? 1st of November 2021 to 31st of October 2022. So I want to tell us this for us to take note. When a business just commences operation, the first year, the basis period. When I'm talking about basis period, I'm talking about the number of months. When the business just commences operation, the first year, the basis period of the first year, it may not be up to 12 months. And it can be exactly 12 months. But basis period must not be more than 12 months. I repeat. If a business just commences operation, the first year, the basis period, and by basis period, I mean by the number of months that you have in the basis period. The first year is not always up to 12 months. And it can be exactly 12 months. But all the year of assessment, all the basis period in all the year of assessment must not be more than 12 calendar months. When you look at this one, 1st of July 2020 to 31st of October 2020, how many months? And I want to sound a note of warning for us too. If you need to use your hand to count, to be sure of the number of months, please use your hand. Don't go and do imaginary, March to September is 5 months. And meanwhile, it's not 5 months. And anything that makes you want to prorate, you made a mistake in your numerator, you made a mistake in your denominator, then the mistake has been established in your answer. But that will not be our own portion. So if you want to be sure, how many months we have from July to October? Please use your hand. July, August, September, October. That is 4 months. When we are doing analysis, I'm going to be explaining to you why you need to show why you need to be careful, where you need to take note of the number of months that you have in the basis period. So we are done with commencement of business. And I want to read this, the notes. There will not be an overlap of basis period where the profit of 4 relevant years of commencement are computed in line with the new provision. There is not going to be overlapping. What is the meaning of overlapping? You are going to see a particular date. You are going to see it in 1 year of assessment. Then that particular date, you are going to see it another year of assessment. In the same, and you are computing for the same company. However, there may be an overlap of basis period in the 3rd year of assessment due to transitional issues. As such, overlap of basis period will only occur in the 3rd year of assessment for a company that commenced business in 2018. In 2018. So that is what that place is talking about. Determination of the end of the first accounting period. The determination of the first year of assessment and the relevant basis period shall be based on the company's accounting year end. I hope this has clarified the question of Mr. Raphael and I can't remember this first person. Therefore, the first accounting period of a company is the date of its commencement to the end of its first accounting year end. Where a company submits financial statement for a period shorter or longer than the first accounting period, the assessable profit for the first accounting period shall be ascertained on a pro rata basis up to the indicated accounting year end. Note, there will not be gap of basis period where profit of 4 relevant year of assessment in line are computed in the line with the new provisions. But there may be a gap of year of assessment between the first year and the second year of assessment due to transitional issues. Maybe that company was using, that company commenced operation in 2018. Now we are now changing to new provision because you have to start applying the new provision from 2020. Definitely that company that commenced operation in 2018, you have to apply the rules of both provision. I don't want to go to that so that I won't be causing any confusion with any one of us. So that's all I think I can talk about old provisions and new provisions of basis period. Look at this question. He said XYZ commenced business on April 1, 2020 and makes up his accounts to November 30 each year. The requirement is that for us to determine the basis period for the first 4 years of assessment. When did the business commence operation? The business commenced operation 1st of April 2020 and is making up his account to 30th of November. And just as we have read the notes, the indicator they gave us, they said that we must not go beyond the company year end. That means you must respect the company year end. So what is the basis period? 1st of April 2020 to 30th of November 2020. What is going to be the year of assessment? Preceding year basis is going to be 2021. The date immediately after the end of 31st of October 2020, that is 1st of December 2020, to the company year end, 30th of November 2021, and so on and so forth up to 2024, 1st of December 2022 to 30th of November 2023. Preceding year basis. Anything that makes you to have the year of assessment, you must not have the year of assessment, the figure for the year of assessment. You must not have it in the basis period. Anything that makes you to have the figure of the year of assessment in the basis period, you are not doing preceding year basis again, no. You are doing actual year basis. You are doing actual year basis. I hope this is clear for every one of us, and I hope you guys are following. Good. Thank you so much. So we are going to be attempting one particular illustration. Let me see whether I still have it. Let me look for it somewhere. I would have loved to unmute everybody so that we can make it interactive, but you know, Some people may not remember to mute themselves when they're in a noisy place. I don't want that distraction kind of. I don't want that distraction kind of. Okay. But when it's time for me to unmute everybody, I will. When it gets to there, when we get to when the thing reach there, that point. Thank you. We are there in other room. Who is in the other room? I don't know what you are talking about. Oh. Is this thing not too big? Some guys on YouTube are saying this thing is not clear. I don't understand actually. Why is it not clear? It's clear enough now. It's clear enough. So, illustration 1. South Sultan commenced trade on 1st of May 2025 and prepare his accounts to 30th of September annually. The following information was presented in relation to the income of the business. We have the following period and we have the following figures. Anywhere you see they put period 2, that means that year is not up to 12 or is more than 12. Anywhere you see they put year ended, take note, that period is exactly 12 months. It's exactly 12 months. I repeat, anywhere they put period 2, the basis period, and when I'm talking about basis period, I said that means the number of months is not up to 12 months or is more than 12 months. Where you see period 2 is not up to 12 months or is more than 12 months. But where you see year ended, that means it is exactly 12 months. So they gave us this following information that, okay, this guy commenced business on 1st of May 2025 and he prepared his accounts to 30th of September annually. The following information was presented in relation to the income of the business. We have period to 30/9/2025, 50,000. Year ended 30/9/2026, 60,000. Year ended 30/9/2027, 80,000. And year ended 30/9/2028, 100,000. And the requirement is for you to compute the accessible income for all relevant years of assessment. For all relevant years of assessment. So we are going to be going to our Excel sheet. I think I might need to share my full screen again, please. Let me just share this full screen one and for all. Yeah, I'm sure you can see my Excel sheet. So we'll be navigating through the question and we'll be coming back through this Excel sheet so that you can have a good understanding of what you are doing. So the South Sultan commenced trade on 1st of May 2025 and prepares his account to 30th of September annually. The following information was presented in relation to the income of the business. We have the following figures that were stated to us, and the requirement is that we should compute the accessible income for all relevant years of assessment. In solving this question, the first thing first, South Sultan. That is what is very, very important for you to write first, the name of the business. Then the next, title of the account, computation of accessible income for relevant years of assessment. for the relevant years of assessment. It commenced business 1st of May 2025 to 30th of September annually. So I'm going to be having a column for YOA, year of assessment. Then I'm going to be having another column for my basis period. And I'm also going to be having another column for my accessible income. So for this accessible income, you must write the currency. It is a must. You must write the currency for the accessible income. You must write the currency for the accessible income, please. So now, when did it commence business? 1st of May 2025 to 30th of September. So that means, let me first determine the first year basis period. 1st of May 2025. What is now going to be the year end? Just as what we have looked at. 30th of September 2025. 1st of May 2025 to 30th of September 2025. Making use of preceding year basis. What is the year of assessment? Definitely this is going to be 2026. So that means I'm doing for 2026 year of assessment. 2026 year of assessment. What is now the accessible income? The accessible income for 2026 year of assessment is going to be 50,000 naira. ₦50,000. Then we close this figure. We close this stuff. The next year, we are going to now show for 2017 year of assessment. Let me delete this. Sorry, 2027. 2027 year of assessment. What is going to be the basis period? That is going to be from 1st. What is the date after 30th of September 2025? 1st of October 2025 to 30th of September 2026. What is the accessible income? The accessible income, that one is 60,000 naira. The next one is 80,000 naira. And the last one is 100,000 naira. So this one is going to be 2028 year of assessment. The basis period is going to be 1st of October 2026 to 30th of September 2027. The next one is going to be 2029 year of assessment, and the basis period is going to be 1st of October 2027 to 30th of September 2028. 2028. With this, we are done with this first illustration. We are done with this first illustration. Do you have any question? Let me quickly see your hands raised up. Then I will answer your question immediately. If not, this should not give us any challenges, please. This should not give us any challenges at all. And I'm sure there is no question. Good. Let's move. We move. We move to the next one. After I pass, after I've moved, you are now doing print. Better drop down, print call. What is the question? Mr. Lazarus, what is your question? Please go ahead and ask your question.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Is regard to accessible profit in first year, sir.
Yes.
Since the thing is not up to 12 calendar months, are we expected to pick it like that, or to like, since the commence based on the commencement rule? I don't know. since it's not up to 12 calendar months, are we expected to pick the accessible profit as it is being recorded in the account also, and record it also in our accessible income, or to
Yes.
multiply it by the number of the month?
Multiply K. Don't try it out. Don't multiply anything, no. Don't multiply anything, no. Please don't multiply anything, no. That's how you are going to leave it, please. That's how you are going to leave it, please. Is lavender online or Shimamanda? Lavender or Shimamanda? I'm going to unmute everybody. Okay, I want.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I want one of you to read for me.
I'm here.
I want one of you to read this illustration for me. Yep.
I'll read, sir. I'll read. Okay. Adejuwa is a sole trader and then owner of Adejuwa Ventures. The business is into transportation business that conveys passengers from one location to another within Lagos State. Adejuwa registered his transportation business under the business name registration with CAC on 1st October 2017 and filed all the papers necessary on 1st of July 2018. Due to logistic and financial problems faced, Adejuwa Ventures did not commence business till 1st of March 2021. The following statement was extracted from his records. Required, compute the accessible income for all relevant tax years of Adejuwa Ventures.
Okay. Take note of I'm going to unmute everybody, but please, if you know you are in a noisy area, please mute yourself. Don't talk. Don't give any distraction to us, please. Thank you. So look at this period. When did Adejuwa commence operation? Adejuwa Ventures. When did he commence operation?
1st March.
March 2021.
2021. Look at the first accounting year end they gave to you. What did they write there? Period to 30th of November 2022.
1st of March 2021.
The first accounting year end they gave you. The first profit figure they gave to you.
30th November
2022.
30th November 2022. And you see they put what? Period 2. And that don't forget what I mentioned. When you see period 2, that means that particular year is not up to 12 months or is more than 12 months.
12 months.
It's not up to 12 months or it's more than 12 months.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So let me just do a screenshot of this. I think that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll do a screenshot of this question, then I'll take it to that Excel page. So we'll just, instead of me coming up and down, blah, blah, blah. Please don't use your noise to distract us. If you're in a noisy area, kindly mute your mic. I permit you to mute your mic. If you know you are going to be in a noisy area, please mute your mic.
First of March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November.
Serious student, don't solve and finish.
21 months.
Okay, no, so okay, please listen. The requirement is now for us to compute the accessible income for all relevant year of assessment of Adejuwa Ventures. So the first thing that I must write is what? The name of the business, Adejuwa Ventures. Please, that is what is important first. And computation
Of accessible income.
Accessible income for
Relevancy
of assessment. We are just calling it relevant year of assessment because they are much. Actually, if it is just 1 year of assessment, you are just going to write for maybe 2022 year of assessment, or for 2021 year of assessment, or 2023 year of assessment. That is what you are going to be writing. I hope we are clear. Good. So now, when did the business commence operation? 1st of March 2021. And you have the first profits to period to 30th of November 2022. To make it easy for us, I always advise students to show just a short analysis. A short analysis of like the basis period, the number of months, and the profit that you have. The business commenced operation 1st of March 2021. And the profit, the first profit they gave to you was that of 30th of November 2022. What is the figure? The figure is 800,000. The figure is 800,000, right? Good. The question now is, how many months do you have from 1st of March 2021 to 30th of November 2022?
10 months.
21.
Who said 10 months? Who is the person that said 10 months? You are correct. The person that said 10 months, who are you? Please, you are correct. You are very correct. Please, it is not 10 months, though. Look at the date very well. Somebody said 11 months. Again.
But
Please. It's not 11 months, please. Let's use our hand to count. Let's use our hand to count. March 2021, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November. That is 9 months. 1st of March 2021 to 30th of November 2021. That one is 9 months.
9 months.
1st of December 2021 to 30th of November 2022. That one is 12 months. 9 plus 12 is going to give us 21 months. Then the second one, they gave us from, they say year ended. So that means this one is going to be from 1st of December 2022 to 30th of November 2023. And that one is how much? 500,000. How many months is this one? How many months is this second one?
12 months.
12 months. Good. The next one, 1st of December 2023 to 30th of November 2024. The profit given to us is how much? 680,000 naira. This one is also 12 months. I hope I'm correct.
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. And now with the new rules of provision of finance at 2019, if the business commenced operation 1st of March 2021, I want somebody, Shimamanda, I want Shimamanda to tell me what is the basis period of the first year.
The basis period for the first of March 2021 to 31st of
Please let Shimamanda talk. Everybody just keep quiet. Let me hear her. She was the one listening to my I love you last week.
Jesus. For the first one is 1st of March 2021 to 29th or 28th of February
28th of February.
Are you saying 28th now?
What is the company year end? You can see.
Oh my God, yes, sorry.
The
company's year end is October. Oh my God, I'm sorry. The first basis period for this company is 1st of March 2020. I'm not seeing it again, so you've gone up. So you've gone up
there.
And you've gone, yes. Go
Are
ahead.
you copying this one?
No, I'm talking about the first one.
See, Auntie Shimamanda, the first year of assessment, that's what I wrote with Bible here. 1st of March 2021 to 30th of November 20. I even gave you the answer, yet you didn't see it. You'll be hearing my I love you.
Jesus.
Okay, so take note.
Okay,
Year of assessment. YOA. Basis period. Computation. I can hear you, please.
Let me compute. Just put it like that. Let's say this is not complete 12
Who is
months.
talking?
Let's
Please,
say
this
just
person
something
is guys now. Who is this person? Don't let me remove you. I wish to see the person. Let me boot that person out immediately. No time.
I'm sorry, it's a mistake. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, that person should talk. The man that wanted to talk, please quickly talk. It's only you I want to listen to.
Okay, sir. I'm saying that in this that first one, is it because now you are breaking it? Is it possible for us to write from 1st to March 2021 to the period to that is start 1st 11 2022? Then now do 9/21.
Just wait, sir. Let's solve the basis period. We have not started solving the basis period. We have not started solving the basis period. Who is this person now? Sorry, I'm going to mute you guys. I want this class to be interactive, but I'm sorry, I'm not enjoying the background noise I'm getting from some people. Sorry, please, I have to mute everybody. But I want it to be interactive, but I need to mute everybody. Thank you. Don't worry, when I solve the first one, I would love it to be interactive, but I don't know why some people, when you are in a noisy place, mute your mic so that you don't distract. So we are going to have the year of assessment, basis period, computations, and we are now going to have another column for our accessible income. For the accessible income, very, very important, your Naira. Your Naira is very, very important. Now, the question is, when the business commence operation? The business commence first operation on 1st of March. And you can see that the year end they are giving to us is 30th of November, 30th of November, 30th of November. So that means the year of this company is 30th of what? 30th of November. It's 30th of November. So what is going to be the basis period for the first year? Basis period is for the first year. It's going to be the date of commencement of business, 1st of March, 2021 to 30th of November, 2021. 30th of November, 2021. That is for the first year of assessment. Once you have gotten, basis period. Once you have gotten the basis period, what is now going to be the year of assessment? Making use of preceding year basis. That one is going to be 2022 year of assessment because you are making use of what? Preceding year basis. Preceding year basis. Now, where did I show? What is the reason why I showed that analysis? I'm going to let us know very, very soon. Where did I show the analysis of that analysis? What is going to be the second year? My second year is going to be 2023 year of assessment, still making use of what? Preceding year basis. 2023 year of assessment. What is going to be the basis period? It's going to be from 1st of March 1st of December 2021 to 30th of November 2022. The third year is going to be 2024 year of assessment, still on preceding year basis. Preceding year basis. And it's going to be from 1st of December 2022 to 30th of November 2023. 2025 year of assessment, which is the last one, is also on PYB, and the accessible profit is from 1st of December 2023 to 30th of November 2024. I hope you all understand this analysis. If you do not understand, let me know. Raise up your hand. You have something, you can just quickly drop the chat. Yes, Mr. Musa, I've corrected myself. Just two people, just the two of you. Oh yeah, Auntie Cow Sarat. Who is that person that first raised that? Okay, sorry. Adeniyi Itunu. Adeniyi Itunu, please go on, fast.
Good evening, sir. Okay, so my question is this: the way you are using your your the month, you are writing it in figure. Can we do that in exam?
You can write in figure, you can write in you know, you can write for 1/3
alphabet. You are
2021.
using alphabet. Can we do that in exam?
You can use any method, though. You know me, no. You can write first 3 2021.
Okay. That's how I'm
30
confirmed. Okay.
11 2021. No wala. Any method you can use it. You can
Okay.
use it. Kausara, you have dropped your hand. No wala. Okay, Kausara, the last person. Kausara Omolabake.
Good evening, sir.
Omolabake. Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I didn't get when you were explaining the new basis period input. I didn't get it right. So
For which one exactly? For which one exactly?
I'm not understanding why instead of us to use 1st of March to 2021 to 2022 of November, why are we using 2021 to
How many
compute?
months do you have from 1st of March 2021 to 30th of November 2022? How many months? Is what?
21.
You can't use 21 months because your basis period, I said it, that basis period number of months must not be more than 12 calendar months, but it can be lesser than 12 months.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Then you have to take note of when the business commence operation to the year end. And actually, they didn't measure year end in this question, but you can see 30th of November.
Yes, sir.
Immediately you are seeing 30th of November. Oh, that means, oh, this company year end is 30th of November.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. So I'm not going to unmute everybody. Let us be interactive. And if you are in a noisy place, please mute your mic. I need to copy this my analysis and bring it out because I want to use it for something. Don't forget that when we are looking at part of the notes, they said that we are going to be doing proration in such a way that, oh, if a particular company should present a financial account, and that financial account is now more than 12 months, you are going to be prorating based on, oh, what is your first year? What is your commencement date? What is your year end? This business commenced operation 1st of March 2021, and is making up his account to 30th of November. So that means the first year is going to be 1st of March 2021 to 30th of November 2021. But the profits they gave to you in this question, they put it period to 30th of November 2022. And I told us that anywhere you see period to, that means the basis period, the number of months is not up to 12 or is more than 12 months. So now what are we using what is the usefulness of this 12 months, blah, 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 that we wrote here? What is the usefulness of it? When we want to do proration, we are going to be making use of it so that we are not going to be making mistakes. Just as I told us, if you make mistake in the numerator and denominator, the answer don't be. But that will not be your own portion, please. So you have to be careful and take note of what you need to do. The first profit that they gave to us from this my analysis is just like a rough workings. You don't need to show it, but I'm just showing it for us so that you can have a proper understanding of what I'm doing. 1st of March 2021 to 30th of November 2022. And we said annual ending month is that. It's 21 months. But when we are now breaking down our basis period, we said that we are first going to do the first one, 1st of March 2021 to 30th of November 2021. The question now is, where am I going to get the computations, the profit that I'm going to use to work out 1st of March 2021 to 30th of November 2021? Definitely, I'm going to get it in this first one here. And this first one here is a 21-month period. So how do I extract out the figure of 1st of March 2021 to 30th of November 2021 from the income of 1st of March 2021 to 30th of November 2022? You are going to be doing proration. What is that proration? How many months do I have from March to November? 9 months. I have 9 months from March to November. Please, you can use your hand to count if I'm not correct. So if I'm not correct, quickly let me know. So that means I'm doing audio 9 divided by 12.
It's
Sorry,
9.
9 divided by 21 times what is the profit that was given to us? 800,000 naira. So
342.
9 divided by 21
857.
times
I
800.
have a question.
Please keep your question for now. Thank you. Please keep your question for now. Thank you, sir. 42,857. 857, right? 1st of December 2021 to 30th of November 2022. How many months?
12 months.
It's 12 calendar months. But where are you going to get the profit? You are going to get the profit from 1st of March 2021 to 30th of November 2022, which is also 21 months. So if I'm doing proration, can that person please mute? 12 divided by 21.
Darling.
Well done, darling.
Wale mute.
Yeah, I'm going to mute everybody. Thank you. 12 all over 21 times 800,000 naira. So what is the accessible income? 12 divided by 21 times 800,000 naira. That is going to give me 457,143 naira because I'm approximating. The last 2 years of assessment, do I need to show computations? No. Because based on my analysis, I have 1st of December 2022 to 30th of November 2023. And that is what I have in my business period here. And what is the profit? The first one, 500,000. The last one, the same thing, 680,000 naira. That is what you need to know when it comes to commencement of accessible income. Commencement of accessible income. So now let me listen to your question. Who is the person that was saying you have question? Quickly raise up your hand. Total AI. Which one is AI? Accessible income. No, you don't need to add it up, sir. You don't need to total it. When you are going to do the one that you will total, I will let you know. You don't need to total it. On YouTube, if you have question, you can just chat your question. I'll go to read at it and then I will answer you guys' question. Okay, no question. Great, perfect. But I think somebody was saying I have a question. Until I was innocent. Mr. Innocent, must you always raise up your hand? Okay, I'm going to take just 3 people. Oh yeah, Mr. Innocent, go on.
Yeah, sir. What I'm saying is that
okay,
like in our park or in the Pathfinder, because I've come across this particular question. What it did that if you did you split these two, but what if you bring it from the 1st of March to what they did? They brought it from 1st of March to 1st March 2021 to 30th 11 2022. At the under, you now start breaking it into 2. That's what I'm asking. Is it also is it work? Because I saw it in their Pathfinder.
This one is still straightforward for you now, bros. This one is
So I
straightforward
just want to
for you.
ask.
This one is straightforward for you, please. Just do it this way, please.
No problem.
Now, human be like you read that Pathfinder. Now, human be like me read that Pathfinder. So anybody can make mistake. I beg. Please just make use of this simple one. Mr. Alao Sunday.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. My question is that why are we using 21 instead of 9/4?
Why are we using Why are we using what, sir?
21 9 over 21. So now.
Why are we using 9 all over 12?
Why are we using 9 over 21?
Oh, Egbon, did you see the analysis
Instead
that I
of
did
9
there? Do you see this analysis? Mr. Lao Sunday, do you see this?
Oh, okay.
Did you see this? 1st of March 2021 to 30th of November 2022. How many number of months? 21 months. Right? So we now do 1st of March 2021 to 31st of November 2021. How many months do you have from 1st of March 2021 to 30th of November 2021? How many months, sir?
9 months.
9 months. And you are looking for a profit of 9 months from a stated profit of 21 months.
Okay.
The same question you're asking me, someone is asking me on Facebook. I was thinking now over 12. No, it's not now over 12. Oh. Don't do now over 12. Oh. You have to take note of the profit that was given, the basis period of the profit that was given to you. Mr. Winner Idoko, the third person. Oh, sorry, Mr. Lao Sunday. Are you done with your question, please?
Yes, sir, I'm done. Thank you.
Okay, good. Mr. Winner Idoko. Mr. Winner Idoko. Okay, please drop your hand.
I understand you now. I'm a lady, no, mister.
Oh,
I
sorry.
understand.
When I saw Winner, I was don't be angry, please. Forgive me.
No
Oh,
problem.
don't sue me to court. Oh, it's a mistake.
No problem, sir.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So we are done with commencement of business. So I'm going to meet everybody now. Please drop your hand. Mr. Innocent, drop your hand. I'm not asking to you. Mr. Victor Precious, drop your hand. I'll listen to you later on. So we are going to go to change of accounting date. We are going to go to change of accounting date. That is the one we are going to next. Change of accounting date. And this one, I need your maximum attention. Change of accounting date. I hope this person on YouTube, I hope you are clear now. You cannot use 12 because go and count the profit that was given to you in the first year. The business commenced operation 1st of March 2021, and the profit that was given to you is to 30th of November 2022. So you need to count the number of months from 1st of March 2021 to 30th of November 2022. And the provision says that we are going to prorate it. Go and read the note very well. I don't know whether you are in any group. I've dropped the note in the group. Read the note very well so that you have a proper understanding of it. Please, thank you. Change of accounting date. What a business can change date. It is allowed in the law for a business to change their accounting date. For an old established business, the basis of assessment of profit is still preceding year basis. However, the preceding year basis of assessment cannot be rigidly applied whenever there is a change of accounting date. A normal accounting period may not have ended in the preceding year because whenever there is a change of accounting date, it is either that accounts are prepared to a period of more than 12 months to the new accounting date, or alternatively, two sets of accounts are prepared to end in the same tax year. One for the first 12 months to the old accounting year end, and the other for less than 12 months, to the new accounting year end. And in either situation, special rules apply in determining the basis period for the relevant years of assessment. A business is allowed to make changes of, if you want to change your accounting date, you don't want to be using 31st of December anymore, you want to now be using 30th of September. It is allowed for you. You can go ahead, you write to FRS, I'm making change of, I want to change my accounting year end. If you are changing your accounting year end, there is what we call right of election. The party that has the right of election is FRS when it comes to change of accounting dates. But when you are not doing change of accounting dates, there are some rules that you must apply. And I'm going to tell you the truth. This rule, you must know it. You must know it. They have seen a question that they gave to them that they should mention this rule, 5 marks. So what are the rules on change of accounting date? Whenever a company may fails to make up its account to this normal year end for any year of assessment in which the failure occurs, as well as the following 2 years, the assessable profits are computed in such basis as the board in its discretion may determine. So the manner in which FRS is the board, they are the one that have the discretional power. They can exercise their discretion power by giving the following rules. What are the new rules or change of accounting date? A, B, C, D, E, F. The first one is for you to determine the year of assessment in which the company fails to make up its account to its normal year end. That is A. Immediately you determine the year, the next thing is for you to determine what is the 2 subsequent years after. That is rule B. Identify 2 years of assessment following the one you determine in A above. C is for you to now compute assessable profit for the 3 years. Assessable profit for the 3 years with the assumption that the company is still making use of the old accounting date. D is for you to compute assessable profit for the 3 years with the assumption that the company is making use of new accounting dates. E is to now obtain the sum of the assessable profit for the 3 years of assessment. You are going to total what you get in C. You are going to total what you get in D. That is what you are doing in E. F is now right of election. And I told us that FRS, they are the ones that have the right of election. And generally, if you are the one that is working in FRS, you are the one that has the right of election in change of accounting date. Old date, the 3 profit of old date is giving you 15 million naira. The 3 profit of new date is giving you 20 million naira. You that you are working in FRS, I'm sure you are not going to pick the profit of 15 million naira. You are definitely going to pick the profit of 20 million naira because you are interested in higher profits, higher tax. The provision in section 29 subsection 2 confers on FRS the discretion to determine the basis of assessment on a change of accounting dates. In exercising the discretion, FRS may assess the year of change and 2 following assessment year on actual year basis instead of preceding year basis. This it will do if using the basis. If the basis produces a higher accessible profit for those 3 years of assessment. Yes, the note now says that, oh, FRS have the discretionary power to now compute the rule A and B making use of actual year basis. So now if they compute the rule A and B making use of actual year basis and the accessible profit, the accumulated accessible profit of the 3 years is now higher with what you computed in when you do rule A to F, then FRS, they have the right and power to select the one that is on actual year basis. But if the one of actual year basis is lower compared to the one you are going to get from the 2, the one that is higher between the old accounting date and new accounting date, you are going to be selecting the one that is higher, the highest out of the 3. Just as I've told us, it is very, very important for you to know the rules of the change of accounting dates. Okay? I think I'm seeing some charts. I don't understand all these charts, right? This Victor, Precious, and John, you guys are the one doing some kind of distraction yesterday. You have started again today. So I need to tell us this, that when it comes to change of accounting date, a particular question when they want you to apply change of accounting date, when they are telling you to compute the accessible profit, They are not going to be telling you that, oh, this question is going to be a question on change of accounting date. But how do you know that, oh, as per this question, I'm supposed to apply change of accounting date? How do you determine that? How do you know that? Look at this illustration that we have from the study pack very well. You can see that the first one, the first profit that they gave to us, they said that 12 months to December 31, 2015. The next one is December 31, 2016. Normally, what are you supposed to see next? December 31, 2017. But what you are seeing is not December 31, 2017. What you are seeing next is a different year end, which they call 16 months to April 30, 2018. Immediately you see this kind of question in the exam, and they ask you to compute the assessable profit for relevant years of assessment. Please, you don't need any visionaire to tell you that this question is on change of accounting date. You don't need any visionaire to tell you that this question is on change of accounting date. So now, what are the things that we need to apply when we are doing the change of accounting date? The rules. What are those rules? A, B, C, D, E, F. The first one is to determine the year of assessment in which the company fails to make up its account to its normal year end. Let's quickly read through this question. Olowole Komo Limited for many years prepared accounts to December 31. But in 2009, please, in 2009, it decided to prepare a 16-month account, to April 30. The adjusted profit as follows. We have 12 months to December 31, 2015, 180,000. 12 months to December 31, 2016, 240,000. 16 months to April 30, 2018, 336,000. And 12 months to April 30, 2019, 144,000. Just as I've told us, once you see a particular question, you are seeing one particular year end, and suddenly the year end change. Then that means this question wants you to attempt change of accounting date. Once you identify that, oh, this question wants me to attempt change of accounting date, what you need to do next is to now look at, oh, what are the rules on change of accounting date? What are the rules on change of accounting date? The understanding of the rules is very, very important for you to be able to determine the year of assessment, the basis period, and the relevant things that you need to do. Before I go on, do you have any question, please? Do you have any question, please? Raise up your hand if you have any question. Good. Just the two of you. Oh yeah, go on. Mr. Raphael.
Sorry, sir. I wanted to ask a question from the material you shared. The last question there was talking about a company that prepared their financial report for 15 months, which is right based on law that you can do that. At the year of commencement, a company can prepare its financial report for the first 1.5 years. Now, if we are given something like that, are we going to prepare for the first 6 months, and now prepare for the first year, a whole year? I want to know what can we do in such situation?
Hold on, sir.
The question on Orion Limited.
Just wait. Can you read this place that I highlighted?
When a company submits financial statements for a period shorter or longer than the first accounting period, the assessable profit for the first accounting period shall be ascertained. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
You have answered your question yourself, Abi. You are clear now, Abi, Egbon? Are you clear?
Clear now. Sir,
Good.
yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Olarewaju, please go on.
All right, sir. Good evening. Please, I saw in one of the questions on commencement of business, I came across a question that spoke about using years, that made use of years prior to 2019. I'm just using a year as an example. Let's say stated according to 2019, a business commenced business in 2019, 2018, 2019, and 2020. So just give the year of assessments like that from 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021. But now based on when they answered the question, the years that fell under 2018 and 2019 was actually answered. The profits were distributed using the actual year basis. Now they referenced the Finance Act 2019 as a reason, but after 2019, they now use the preceding year base. So they referenced the Finance Act. So I wanted to ask, in the ICANN question, exam questions, when you see years like that come up, does that act come up, or should we just take the years on the literal value, like, oh, these are just years numbers, let's just do all on the preceding year base, or the years actually matter in line with that Finance Act 2019?
Okay, thank you. Thank you for that question. Yeah. Before Finance Act 2019 became effective from 1st of February 2020. So if a business should commence operation 2019, 2018, 2017, you are going to be applying the old provisions. You are going to be applying the old provisions. Maybe another class will look at that old provisions. Maybe another class will will look at that old provisions. Do you understand, sir?
All right, sir. Thank you.
Maybe another class, but I don't want you to scatter work. It can scatter work. It can scatter things.
Yes, it will. That was why I didn't
won't
ask
lie
about
to
it
you.
earlier.
It can scatter things. I won't lie to you. So I don't want to go to there today. Thank you. I guess those are the two. Olamide Adediji. Olamide Adediji. Olamide Adediji.
Sorry, it's a mistake.
Oh, okay. No, wala. Mistake is allowed and it's permitted. But don't make the mistake in exam. Okay, sorry, I'm going to meet everybody. Let's quickly. I would have loved to meet everybody, but I don't want that background noise for some people. If not, I would have loved it to be so much interactive. So now, what are the rules on change of accounting dates? What are the rules on? Please, I'm not attempting question for now. Let's attempt this stuff. What are the rules on change of accounting date, please? Determine the year of assessment in which the company fails to make up its account to its normal year end. What is that year? Look at this question. Oh, should I unmute you guys? You can type. You guys can just type for me, please. Determine the year in which the company fails to make up its accounts to the normal year end. What is the year that the company fails to make up its accounts to the normal year end? That is the first rule. The year that the company fails to make up its account to the normal year end. Look at it. December 31, 2015, December 31, 2016. The next one should have been December 31, 2017. So that means the year that the company fails to make up its account to the normal year end is what? 2017. If you make error with A, then automatically error has been made with rule B. And once you have made error with rule A and B, your B, C, D, E, F, C, D, E, there is automatically an error. CDE, rule CDE, there's automatically an error. So the first year of assessment is 2017, rule A. Rule B now is, what is the 2 subsequent years after? The 2 subsequent years after is going to be 2018 and what? 2019. 2018 and 2019. We have gotten our rule A, we have gotten our rule B. The next thing is for us is to now show what is the profit for these first 3 years, making use of assumption that the company did not change its date. That means they are still using the old accounting date. What is the company old accounting date? January to December. January to December. That is the old accounting date of the company. What is the new accounting date? The old accounting date is from January to December. The new accounting date now is from, if I'm correct, May to April. May to April. That is the new accounting date. So let's pick the first one. What am I doing? The name of this man, Olowo Lekomo. Olowo Lekomo Limited. Just as I've told us, the particular question, once you see this kind of question, you don't need anybody to tell you that this is a question on change of accounting date. So once you encounter this kind of question in exam, you can see the accessible profits, the year end changing. And they ask you in the question that you should determine the accessible profits for the relevant years of assessment. That means you need to start applying the rules of change of accounting date. So computations of accessible income or profit for relevant years of assessment. Relevant years of assessment using old accounting date. Using old accounting date, I'm going to have my YOA, year of assessment. I'm going to have my basis period. I'm going to have my computations. Definitely there's going to be computations. And I'm going to have my accessible income. Naira, very, very important. We have gotten the 3 years of assessment. The first one is 2017. The next one is 2018. And the third one is 2019. 2017, 2018, and 2019. Those are the 3 years of assessment. Now, what is the basis period of old accounting date? Preceding year basis. This one is going to be from 1st of January 2016 to 31st of December 2016. The second year, still on preceding year basis, is going to be 1st of January 2017 to, wow, 31st December 2017, preceding year basis. The third year is going to be 1st of January 2018 to 31st December 2018. To 31st of December 2018. A minute, please. Good. Before we move on, let's do this analysis that I did when I was solving this particular question here. This analysis that I did. Let's do it so that it can help us to do what? To move faster. This one of 2015, when did it start? It started from 1st of January 2015 to 31st December 2015. And what is the number of months? This is going to give me 12 months. The next profit is from 1st of January 2016 to 31st of December 2016. How many months? 12 months or so. This one of 336,000. What is the beginning? It started from 1st of January 2017 to 30th of April 2018. When you count the number of months from 1st of January 2017 to 30th of April 2018, we are having 16 months. And this last one is from 1st of May 2018 to 30th of April 2019. And if I'm correct, this should be also 12 months. This should be also 12 months. This should be also 12 months. Please don't be angry. I need to meet everybody. I would have loved to meet us so that it can be interactive, so that we have a proper understanding. But I don't want that distraction from others. Thank you. So now the computations or determination of the accessible income. 1st of January 2016, 1st of January 2016 to 31st of December 2016, I'm easily going to get the accessible profit of 12 months of 240,000. So that means I don't need to show what? I don't need to show any proration. This is my 240,000 naira. No need of showing any proration of anything. It's 240,000 naira. For the profit of 2018 year of assessment, for the profit of 2018 year of assessment, when you look at this analysis that I did here, when is the beginning of 2018? 2018 is starting, 2018 year of assessment, the basis period is starting from 1st of January 2017 to 31st of December 2017. How many months is 1st of January 2017 to 31st of December 2017? 12 months. But you are looking for this profit of 12 months, 1st of January to 31st of December 2017. Where are you going to see it? You are going to see it in this particular one of 16 months. You are going to see it in the profit of January 2017 to 31st of December 30th of April 2018. 30th of April 2018. So that means you are getting the profit just as we prorated for this one that we did in that commencement. You are going to be looking for a profit of 12 divided by 16 times what is the accessible profit? 240,000 naira times 240,000 naira. What is now the income? 12 divided by 16 times 240,000 naira. What do you have? 180,000 naira. 180,000 naira. 180,000 naira. Then the next one, the third one, 1st of January 2018 to 31st of December 2018. This one is splitted in such a way that we are going to get 1st of January 2018 to 30th of April 2018 in the profit of 16 months. 1st of January 2018 to 30th of April 2018. How many months is that? That is first 4 months. So let me show it like this. 1st of January 2018 to 30th of April 2018. Abi? Yeah, 2018. How many months is this? This is 4 months. And I'm going to get the profit of this 4 months from this place that shaded yellow, 6 months. So that means I'm going to do proration, right? Of 4 divided by 16 times what is the accessible profit? If I'm correct, 240,000 naira times 240,000 naira. 4 divided by 16 times profit of 240,000 naira. Then we are now going to look for the profit of 1st of May 2018 to 31st of December 2018. This is 8 months. May to December is 8 months. You are going to look for this profit of May to December. From where? Where can you get 1st of May 2018? You are going to get it in this other man here. Let me shade it green. You are going to get it from this one here. So this one is a period of 12 months, but you are looking for a profit of a period of 8 months. So that means you are doing 8 divided by 12 times, what's that profit? 8 divided by 12 times 144,000 naira. 144,000 naira. So now what is my answer? What is my answer? Bracket 4 divided by 16 times 240,000. What do I have? I hope I'm correct. Please, if I'm not correct, please, you can quickly correct me. 60,000 naira plus the profit plus 8 divided by 12 times 144,000 naira. What do you have? 96,000 naira. So the addition of 96,000 plus 60,000 naira. What do you have? 156,000. Are you sure I'm correct with this? 8 all over 12 times 144,000, then 4 all over 16 times 240,000. So the addition is giving me 156,000 naira. So summation. Let me total up. What do you have for this? 576,000 naira. 576,000 naira. Are you sure this is correct? 12 over 16. Then 336,000, not 240,000. This is 336,000. Even this one, is this one correct? 12 over 16. This one too is 336,000, please. So this first one, 4 over 16 times 336,000. Right? Then maybe I should have written this accessible profit outside. 180,000, 240,000, 336,000, and then 144,000. 144,000. So okay. 4 over 16 times 336,000, then 8 all over 12 times 444,000. So this man is not correct. 336,000. Okay, so 84,000 plus 96,000 naira, which is giving us a summation of 672,000 naira, 672,000 naira. So we are done with the old accounting date. We are done with the old accounting date. The next thing for us is to show the same stuff, now making use of new accounting date. New accounting date. New accounting date. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Lazarus. Yeah. Thank you so much. So for the new accounting date, what is the period? It's going to be from 1st of May to April. What is the year of assessment that we are still computing? We are still computing for the 3 years, which are 2017, 2018, and the last one, 2019. This is the year of assessment. Now, what is the basis period? Year of assessment, what is the basis period? Year of assessment, what is the basis period? Don't forget I told us that if you are showing your basis period and the year of assessment, this your year of assessment must not appear in the date of the basis period. Anything that makes your year of assessment to appear in the date of your basis period, that means you are doing actual year basis. Now that the new business date is from 1st of May to April, to 30th of April, to help us or to guide us not to make an error, let's start with the ending of this the first one, 2017. Definitely the ending of this first one of 2017 is going to be 30th of April 2016. Once you have gotten the year end of 30th of April 2016, what you now need to do is to work back. Work back to go and start from the big what's going to be the beginning to arrive at 30th of April 2016. That one is going to be from 1st of May 2015 to 30th of April 2016. 1st of May 2015 to 30th of April 2016. That is the first year. Then automatically we can easily work out the second one. This one is going to be from 1st of May 2016 to 30th of April, 30th of April 2017. 2019 year of assessment is now going to be 1st of May 2017 to 30th of April 2018. If you have any question on this one, please let me know. Sir, please drop solution sheet in the group. We'll check back later. Oh, another class is up. Oh, apologies. Apologies. I don't know another class is up, please. No problem. I don't know another class is up, but we'll soon be done. When we are done with this, we'll just end here. And we'll be doing the cessation of business another time. Then maybe we'll look at the proper questions later on. We'll look at the proper question later on this. So from 1st of May 2015 to 30th of April 2016. Please, do you have any question, please? I can see many hands on the formal solution question, please. Okay, yeah, please quickly ask your question. Please quickly ask your question, please. Mr. Olarewaju.
Yes, sir. My question is just a brief clarification.
Okay.
On the Finance Act of 2019, is it stating that all companies now are going to be using preceding year basis or actual year basis?
Preceding year basis.
Preceding year basis. All right.
Yes.
Thank you.
Preceding year basis. Thank you. Mr. Sunday, I can't, maybe Ajibola, I didn't see your name completely. Sunday, Mr. Sunday.
It's me, sir.
Okay,
Well done,
go on,
sir.
sir. Yes, boss.
Well done, sir. The observation has been taken into consideration. That man has said it, that 336.
Oh.
Then that we talk later. We are together, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Wuzie Innocent.
It has been corrected.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. So let's move on. Let's move on and quickly solve this question. We are going to end there when we are done with this question. So please, let's quickly move on. Okay, now, from 1st of May 2015 to 30th of April 2016, let's go back to this, our analysis. Thank God I've written this. So if you want to solve this kind of question, just help yourself by doing this small sketch. Because doing this small sketch is going to help you, you know, to be able to determine the denominator, numerator, and also to be able to apply the correct basis period, the correct, I said basis period, the correct income for the relevant years. So from 1st of May 2015 to 30th of April 2016, are we going to get this profit from a state here? Definitely no. Because 1st of May 2015, where are we going to get it from here? We are going to get 1st of May 2015 to 31st of December 2015 from 180,000 naira. So how many months now do you have from 1st of May 2015 to 31st of December 2015? That is 8. And you are looking for profit of 8 months from a given profit of 12 months. So permit me to just show this analysis, break it down for us in the best way I can. So we are going to get the profit of 1st of May 2015 to 31 December 2015 from this first one that we have here. And that is going to be a profit of 8 divided by 12, right? Times, what is the accessible profit? 8 divided by 12 times 180,000 naira. What is now left for us? What is left for us is to now get the profit from 1st of April 2016 to 1st of January. 1st of January 2016 to 30th of April 2016. And that January to April, that is going to give me 4 months. But where am I going to get it from? I'm going to get it from this one also of 12 months. So I'm looking for January to April from a given profit of January to December. So that's going to be 4 divided by 12. 4 divided by 12 times, what is the profit? 240,000 naira. 240,000 naira. What is the figure? 8 divided by 12 times 180,000 naira plus plus 4 divided by 12 times 240,000 naira. 4 divided by 12 times 240,000 naira. What do you have? We have 80,000 plus 120,000. So let's add it up. 120,000, 120,000 plus 80,000 naira. So we have 200,000 naira for the first year of 2017. For the second year, the way we show this analysis, we need to show it there also for the second year. And what is this analysis for the second year? This is going to be from 1st of May 2016 to 30th of April 2017. So let's quickly go up. 1st of May 2016 to 30th of April 2017. We are going to get it in 2 different periods. We are going to get one from 1st of January 2016 to 31st of December 2016, a profit of 240. Then we are going to get another one from 1st of January 2017 to 30th of April 2018. So based on this analysis that I was doing, it means I'm going to get 1st of May 2016 to December 31 December 2016. How many months do we have from May to December 2016? 8 months. And we are going to get that profit of 8 months from this one of 240,000 naira. So 8 divided by 12 times 240,000 naira. 8 divided by 12 times 240,000 naira. We now have how many months left? We have from 1st of January, from 1st of January 2017 to 30th of April 2017. So we are looking for January, February, March, April. We are looking for a profit of 4 months. Where are we now going to look, get 1st of January 2017 to 30th of April 2017? We are going to get it in this period of profit of 16 months. So that means we are doing 4 divided by 16 times what? 336,000 naira. 336,000 naira. What is my answer? 8 divided by 12 times 240,000 naira. What do I have? 160,000 plus 4 divided by 16 times 336,000 naira. What do you have? 84,000 naira. The addition of this 160,000 plus 84,000 naira. What do you have? 244,000 naira. The last year, 1st of May 2017 to 30th of April 2018. Where can we get the profit from? Let's come up. 1st of May 2017 to 30th of April 2018. Definitely we are going to get it from here, from this profit of 16 months. So I don't think I need to show any computation for this one. So I'm looking for a profit of 12 months times, and I'm going to get it from a given profit of 16 months of 336,000 naira. So I'm going to do 12 divided by 16 times 336,000 naira times 336,000 naira. What is my answer? 12 divided by 16 times 336,000 naira. What do I have? 252,000 naira. So the next one is for me to do the summation. Let me total it up. What do I have as my total? I have 696,000 naira. So we are done with rule A, B, C, D, E, F. We are done with rule A, B, C, D, E, F. The last one, which is rule F. Sorry, we are done with A, B, C, D, E. The rule F is now that FRS has the right of election. If you are the one that is working in FRS, which one are you going to select? Definitely, you are going to select the one of 696,000. So it is important for you to write the comment that FRS has the right of election. So FRS is expected to select the accessible profits of 696,000, which is the new accounting date that is higher than the old accounting date of, what do you have in that one, of 672,000 naira. 672,000 naira. Please take note. This right of election, it is very, very important for you to do what? For you to write it. Failure to write it can lead to loss of mark. So please, let's guide ourselves accordingly. So we are going to end today. In the next few minutes, let me take your question. If you have any question, please quickly raise up your hand. I'm going to take just few people. Mr. Sunday Ajibade, sorry, Mr. Sunday Ajibade. Mr. Sunday Ajibade.
No question again. No, it was the previous one.
Oh, okay.
It was previous one. Sorry, no question.
Oh, okay, no wala.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Thank you very much for the class. Please tell
Raliat,
to favor to.
can you hold
Hello,
on?
sir.
I
Yep.
can hear you, sir.
Okay.
I'm Raliat. Sir, please, I just want to rectify something. Can you screw up? You wrote 1st May 2018 to April 2018. That's the last, this one with green. I thought
Yes.
it's supposed to be 2019 April.
Oh, 2019. Thank you.
So I was confused. I was not like, okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you so much. Adeniyi to know.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. So can you just scroll down from that calculation of the old calculation, the works of that old basis?
Okay. Which one? This is the old accounting date.
Okay. Yeah. The old account, the 2019. So is it because we are using old accounting? That's how it is 1st of January 2018 to 31st December 2018.
Yes. Don't forget the rule.
That's
The
what
rule says that you are going to compute the first what you get in A and B, making use of with the assumption that the company is still making use of that old date.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Kendi Abios Kendi, please, Kendi. Good evening. Can you increase your voice?
Can you hear me now?
Okay, yeah.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
When you were said the FIRS has the right to decide if they want actual year basis when they want to decide if you want higher. So in I can question, are we going to let them tell us if we have to calculate the one for the actual year basis?
No. You don't need to show that one. Unless if the question specifically asks you that okay, you should also compute on actual year basis. That's when you are going to show that. Okay, thank you. Ugo Shiobina, that's the last question for today. Ugo Shiobina.
Okay, sir. I don't have any question. Thank you for the class today. Can you please tell Mrs. Favor to send the classes for yesterday? Like she said she will send it and she has not sent it. Thank you.
I think she sent it now. I think she sent it. Which
No, she has not sent it. She said she was going to.
Okay. I will reach out to her. I'll reach out to her.
You.
No wala. So thank you guys. We are going to stop here today. I guess there's supposed to be another class that's supposed to go on by now. So I'm going to share this solution with us. Then we still have cessation of business. That cessation of business is straightforward though. It's very, very easy and straightforward. Then maybe next week we'll look at an exam question on this change of accounting date. This is the one that is they like testing most of the time. Question on change of accounting date. Sorry. Please, if the sorry, I'm seeing a question on this place. Please, if the accessible profit of the old accounting date is more than the new accounting date, is FRS going to pick the older? Yes, now they are going to pick the accessible profit, the summation, the one that is higher. That's the one they are going to pick. So if the old accounting date is higher than the new accounting date, they are going to pick the accessible profit of the old accounting date. If the accessible profit of new accounting date is higher than the old accounting date, they are going to pick the accessible profit of the new accounting date. So they have the right of election. And definitely FRS will select the one that is higher. So thank you guys for staying. And we are going to end this class here this evening. So see you next week. And thank you very much. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, boss.